All right, chickadees. I am so proud of how you have just flown through this and you are ready to make your essay. Your whole graphic organizer is done. So now what? You have to use your graphic organizer to build your essay one paragraph at a time. The introduction is one paragraph. Each body paragraph section is a paragraph and the conclusion is a paragraph. That'll make your 5 paragraphs. Make sure you add your citations whenever you use your research. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Hold on one second. So here you see I have on one side my fully filled out graphic organizer, and I've opened my essay document. If you don't have these things open, why don't you pause me, go open these 2 documents, okay, so that you're ready to go. So I want to highlight the same one that I highlighted over on the, highlight the same one that I highlighted on my graphic organizer, so the teacher knows clearly which one I'm answering. Then the hard work is done. Now I just need to make it look right, add my transitions in, and make sure it sounds good, right? So my first paragraph is all based on this introduction box. So I'm going to bring over each little piece, and I'm going to make sure that when I bring it over, it looks like a paragraph. It is not going to be individualized listed sentences. It's going to be a paragraph. So see how I put the space bar? I have to put my cursor right where I want it to go. And I've brought over everything for my first paragraph. That's my introduction. I want to read it over. I want to make sure it makes sense, but I can do that when I revise. Right now, I want to put the essay together. Then I'm going to go down. So see where it's labeled like body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2? That's where you start each new sentence. So here's my topic sentence for body paragraph 1. So I grab this. It's based on my claim. It's based on that first point of my claim. And I put it over here. And now, all right, I have a quote here. I might have to fix my citations a little, but I have this quote. But I did not put an introduction on here. So I need to say, according to an online article, right? I have to introduce it, put the quotation marks, paste in the quote, make sure that the quotation marks are at the end of the quote. So if you didn't have the quotation marks and whatnot in your graphic organizer, you need to make sure you have them in. Then I'm going to put in my explanations. So I've got like this. So I might say something like, this proves that, have that transition phrase. And then I bring this over. Because I added a transition phrase, I need to make sure I get rid of that capital letter, right? Then I put in, another important point is I want to introduce, right? I got to frame that quote, bring this over, quotation marks, put it in there, all with my copying and pasting, right? Making sure everything's there that needs to be there, making sure that everything is correct. This also needs, this, oops, means that, because I don't want to use the exact same transition that I used for the other quote, and I put that in. And I'm going to do that for all of my body paragraphs, right? And then once I do that for all of my body paragraphs, I'm skipping down right now just so you guys have time. You don't need to watch me make them all. So you did this for body paragraph 2, right? You did this for body paragraph 3. Same exact thing we did for 1. And now you're going to just bring over the 3 pieces of your conclusion. If anything's not filled in, you're going to have to write it now. But if you did everything as going along like you were instructed to do, the hard part of the essay is done. And all that's going to be left is fixing it and making it good. Now, it's not spacing out perfectly, but I'm going to fix that as soon as I get everything over. So I'm going to bring this over, and for some reason it's way indented like that. I'm just going to highlight that paragraph. I am going to come up to the top where it tells me I can degrease, indent, and bring it over. And now I have a fully written essay because you've brought over everything. You'll save this, hand the organizer in, do the revision checklist next, just side by side the revision checklist, do the revision checklist next, and then you'll be able to hand your essay in and work on your works cited page. You're just flying, chickadees. I'm so proud of you. Step by step, you can do this.